Hello, this is Sarah from Let's Talk Careers with Sarah. Today I am going to talk about a program that is so fantastic to just about anyone who wants to have a template with a survey, and this is just a great place to start. This program is called Survey Sparrow. And this Survey Sparrow is a free online survey tools. And it's basically good for everyone. So if I am HR and I want to have some surveys done for my employees, I can just quickly go to these features that has employee engagement, and basically I will have a template that I can use if I would like to, and I can send it to my employees. It's such a great tool that I can basically go over whatever I need. If I need to ask questions, I can do that. Let's see here through a template. I'm going just all the way down to see employee feedback software. And if that's the one that I'm looking for, now it tells me all this information that I need to know. That's just measuring employee satisfactions. Where is that template? Let's see. I can do also integration. I can do watch webinars in here if something is not, if I don't understand something. I am just looking here for templates. Okay, something is not here. I'm going to resources and I'm going to check the template. So let's say I want to start with employee satisfaction survey. And I am going to scroll down. And I have here just like this. I can just click let's explore. And this is what's going to be. It is showing me a sample. Let's say, for example, it says, can you observe a meaningful relationship between what you do and the overall goals or objectives of the company? Yes or no? If I click yes, it will tell me the percentage in here, how many more questions I have. It says, great, it's great to hear that. And then we'll go next. And then I have more questions. And then here, for example, it says use this template. I'll click on this, and then I'm using this template. I can just put my information. I already have information. I'm already signed in, so I'm just going to log in. And I can use this feature. This feature is great for everyone, not just for HR. It's great for customer satisfaction. It's great. So here's a question that I already started with. And I'm just going to show you how it works. So here on this side, there are questions that I can add. I can add it, and I can, so let's say here, the first one is going to say, can you observe a meaningful relationship? Let's say I'm going to do this one. And then if I press yes, it says here, I have an option to say, glad to hear that, or I can add my own words. If I say no, then it's going to say, uh-oh, well, we'll work on that for sure. And then the next question, how well do you fit in the culture of our of the following, right? So here I can have the questions, and the next one will be, that was illuminating, thanks. And then the next question will be, now how would you rate your work-life balance? This is time saving. I don't have to waste time on Google Forms, let's say, that I need to create everything from scratch. This is already ready-made. All I have to do, put on some questions, edit some here, tweak it here and there, and that's it. Share it to my employees, the link, and then they can just start the survey. It's fantastic. If I want to design it specific way, there are so many beautiful designs here. I am a New Yorker. So for me, time is very precious. I don't have pretty much time to think what to do, how to do, because that's why I think most of us people are procrastinating because it's time consuming and we don't want to deal with it. So this software is fantastic. Survey Sparrow is really a time saving. So here, if I want to configure, I can do configuration. If I want to print, I can even print. If I want to integrate, I can integrate with whatever I want, whether it's a HubSpot. HubSpot is for salespeople who have a CRM inside, whether it's a Salesforce, whether it's Aweber. Aweber, that's basically email marketing. Then there is here webhooks. So it shows data from a survey to the external link. Then you can share it. Share the link. You can share, you can share the link, or you can embed it, or you can share it on social media, right? You can create your own URL. You can send it to the email. You can embed it to your website or to your email, or even text messaging. And you can create your own QR code. You see how easy it is to use? It's fantastic. And then you can see the results of all the responses. You see the results and then you get the responses, how it was responded. And that's it. It's time saving, and then you can download it here once you have the responses, and then put it in a file and give it to your team. This is a great place that I believe that you should start with. The link is in the description box. You will be able to see more in details once you click on it, play around with it. This is a fantastic tool. Let me know in the comments what was your experience with SurveySparrow. I would love to hear from you. Bye.